Hey there, fitness fans! Tired of that pesky lump on the back of your neck? You know, the one that makes you look like you're carrying a permanent backpack? That, my friends, is what we call a neck hump. And it's more common than you think. But guess what? You don't have to live with it. We're going to dive deep into what causes these humps and, more importantly, how to get rid of them with some simple exercises you can do anywhere. Get ready to say goodbye to bad posture and hello to a sleek, confident you. It's time to ditch the hump and reclaim your posture power. Let's do this. Okay, so what exactly is a neck hump? It's that unsightly bump at the base of your neck, often called a dowager's hump. It's basically a buildup of fat and tissue that forms over time due to poor posture. When you slouch or hunch over your phone, your head juts forward, putting stress on your neck and spine. This forces your body to adapt by building up extra tissue to support your head's weight. Over time, this leads to that dreaded hump. But don't worry, just like you can build muscle, you can also improve your posture and reduce that hump. It's all about strengthening the right muscles and making a conscious effort to stand tall and proud. Now, let's talk about what causes these humps in the first place. The number one culprit? You guessed it, bad posture. Spending hours hunched over computers, phones, and tablets wreaks havoc on our necks and spines. But it's not just technology. Weak back muscles, lack of exercise, and even carrying heavy bags can contribute to poor posture and, ultimately, neck humps. The good news is that by identifying these habits, we can start making small changes to improve our posture and prevent further damage. Ready to say bye-bye to that hump? Here are a few simple exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. 1. Chin tucks. Sit up straight and gently tuck your chin towards your chest. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. 2. Shoulder blade squeezes. Sit tall and squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to touch them. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. 3. Neck rotations. Gently rotate your head to the side, then to the other side. Repeat 10 times on each side. 4. Wall stands. Stand with your back flat against a wall, heels a few inches away. Tuck your chin and hold for 30 seconds. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, and you'll start to see a difference in your posture and that pesky neck hump.